Christmas series, and today I'm going to do very crazy thing and the trendy thing on the YouTube and on the internet. That is, I'm going to experiment some of the beauty hacks and I'm going to see that कितने like जो भी beauty hacks हम internet पर देखते हैं वो real है कि नहीं. And I have picked few of the beauty hacks and today I'm going to experiment those and I will let you know कि like so ये work करते हैं कि नहीं करते. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the today's video. The first hack is about how to make the lipstick at home with the help of crayons. With the help of crayons, we will make the lipstick today. So she took the coconut oil and the crayons, and she has took that serving spoon, badi wali, and I will use the microwave. So I just took that glass wala, जो भी microwave में लग जाए. So she took the 2 teaspoon of the coconut oil and broke the crayons in it. I'm going to add 2 teaspoon of the coconut oil. This much is more than enough. So I'm taking this plastic crayon, taking the red crayon and breaking it. Now I will microwave it until मुझे इतना नहीं पता कि like कितना टाइम लगेगा. So I will go to the microwave and देखते हैं कितने टाइम में होता है ये. Oil is melt and इसको 30 seconds ही लगे हैं. But my crayon is not melted. I don't know why. Yeah, I just think that I need that wax crayons. I don't need this one. My plastic crayons didn't work. I have segregated that and you going to use this wax one. So I have this wax crayon. So now I will microwave it. So guys, this mixture is melted in just 30 seconds, and so I will transfer this mixture in the bowl, in the container. So I will let it dry for some time. So the next life hack is about using the liquid type of eyeshadow, and for that we needed Vaseline, and they have added the glitter. They have not added any like proper makeup glitter. They have used the stationery glitter, और मैं भी वो लेके आई हूँ, and they have used some pigment. Okay, and मेरे पास ये सारी चीजें हैं. First I am going to add the Vaseline and I am taking the spatula. So now I am taking this much of the Vaseline, and in that they have added some glitter and added some pigment. My makeup is wasting. So according to them we have to microwave for 2 minutes, and I will do the same. So guys, I have microwave for 2 minutes and I don't know इसका क्या हो गया है. Like I have done the same जौन सा उन्होंने किया था, and I don't know it is focusing or not. I will show you the close glimpse too. How it is turned, like the oil is different, the pigments are पता नहीं कहाँ पर. उनका तो like properly eyeshadow बना था. This is not even 1% close to that one. Seriously. Yes, to be honest, this is not at all worth it. This will not help you out as the liquid eyeshadow. Let me show you the close glimpse of this first. So guys, the second one was totally failed. And the next one is quite interesting. This is for the people who don't know how to apply the lipstick properly like me. And now I have learned a lot, but yeah, sometimes. And for that, the lady took this type of Juda pen with the lipstick, and she made this type of like parameter type of thing कि like बाहर ना निकले, and she applied the lipstick with this. So according to her, we have to just stretch this. I'm going to take the lipstick like कोई भी. Guys, this seriously helped me out. Seriously. ये बिल्कुल भी यहाँ से बाहर नहीं निकला है. Like this helped as the perimeter. Like ये बिल्कुल अंदर रहेगा. And this worked amazingly. But to be honest, this is for only those people who don't know even like how to lip line their lips. But to be like this works amazingly and ये बिल्कुल भी इसने मेरी लिपस्टिक को बाहर नहीं आने दिया है. This is a big thumbs up from my side. I'm totally love this hack. So guys, the next hack is for the hair, and if this hack worked now, to be honest, like I will be the above the sky because this is for the volume in the front section of the hair, like this part. See, ऐसे होता है. बहुत रेयर लोग होते हैं जिनके यहाँ पर प्रॉपर हमेशा वॉल्यूम रहता है, नहीं तो कभी किसी के नहीं रहता इतना. For this life hack, I basically need this type of hair section clip, one hair dryer. The first, I basically need my center partition. So excuse me अगर थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हुआ है. And my center partition is done. Now I have to just do like this. No baby. Now I have to just use the hot air. Now I have to dry this. So let me open this now. So guys, this has worked amazingly. Like this part of my hair is quite volumed. A very good thumbs up from my side. इतना भी ज़्यादा नहीं आया है, but या जितना आया उतना भी कम नहीं है. बिल्कुल एकदम accurate proportion में आया है volume. I'm just loving this, man. So before jumping on to the next beauty hack, let's try this. I have just kept in my freezer for 10 to 15 minutes and it is quite done. Let's try this one. So you can see that my crayon lipstick is on my lips. I can't say that this is the crayon lipstick. This is the crayon. This is the tinted lip balm, as it make any sense. And this is the very pretty red shade tinted lip balm. I'm totally loving this. On the other side, I would say that don't use any stationery type of products on your lips, on your skin, because your skin is seriously very sensitive and I would not recommend to use on the lips. But yeah, as the fun purpose or if you want to try any different type of lipsticks, then you can definitely go with these type of things, as it has very red type of lips and it has turned my lips into very light red type of tinted, and it has turned my lips into red, tinted red. As if I make any change in the ratio of the products, then I guess ये tinted balm नहीं बनेगी, ये proper tinted lipstick बनेगी. And I will definitely try this because कभी ना कभी ऐसे कलरफुल लिपस्टिक भी अच्छी लगती है. With the any type of look, we can definitely make these type of lipsticks, man. मैंने 30 rupees की Vaseline ली थी and 10 rupees का crayon वाला पैकेट लिया था. And that pack has around 12 shades and आप 12 तरह की lipsticks बना सकते हो. Like कितनी pure हिंदी, बना सकते हो. And from my side, this is a very good thumbs up, but not on the daily basis, as the crayon is obviously harmful for your skin. And the next life hack is very interesting because for that we need a balloon. First I will blow it out. I guess this is more than enough because this balloon is going to work as the beauty blender. Like seriously, beauty blender. Busted out. So the first is busted out. Next, I'm going to take my foundation and going to apply on my face. Seriously, don't use this. इतनी भी ज़्यादा मजबूरी है, then use your fingers to blend this because इतना ज़्यादा मेरा प्रोडक्ट भी वेस्ट हो चुका हुआ है and मेरे स्किन पर प्रॉपरली इवेंटली ब्लेंड भी नहीं हुआ है. So guys, this is the big no from my side. Guys, this is for my today's video and I just hope that you all like this video. This is the part 1 and I will bring the part 2 with more confidence, with the more improvements and with the more interesting hacks. And this is my first time and I said okay, the first time not everyone is perfect. So guys, this is the end of this video. video with my bare face. If you want to see these type of videos or for more interesting video, then please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it. Until then, take care. Bye.